Now with the flip. Oof. How can you compete with this? Hi, today I'm going to show you my secret pancake recipe that's so delicious, voluminous, and high in protein, of course. I have been struggling with overeating for some time, and this recipe has really helped me out with feeling full and satiated as well. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. Liquid egg whites. You're also gonna need some bread, and make sure that each slice is around 60 to 70 calories each. Protein powder, and make sure you use your favorite flavor so it tastes amazing. Next we have Greek yogurt, but if you don't have Greek yogurt, just buy some regular yogurt and make sure it has 0 fat. You'll also need some flavor drops. I'm using cheesecake flavor, but whatever flavor you like, you can use, of course. And then we have some artificial sweetener, which is amazing. So that's it for the main ingredients. Now let's talk about the toppings. Toppings, you'll need an apple. You'll need some walnuts. These are optional, of course. You don't have to eat these. Some mixed berries. You'll also need some type of syrup, and I can't find any low-calorie syrup, so I'm just gonna use regular, which still doesn't have a lot of calories. It has 300 calories per 100 gram, which is kind of alright, I guess. But yeah, syrup. Right, so in a blender, you're gonna put in 250 milliliters of egg whites. Put in your flavor drops. Put in 75 milliliters or 75 grams. This gives it that creamy richness that we all love. And now the bread. We of course use the butt end of the bread. So you want to go with 200 calories worth of bread. Now we're gonna add some protein powder. Make sure to add 35 grams. Put it in like that and just blend. Come on, you can. Very nice. Now just turn on the heat. Olive oil. Give it a nice little spray. Take your apple, just cut it into pieces like this. Alright, the pan is getting hot, that's good. So you're just gonna take your apples, put it in a bowl, and then put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes until it's warm and squishy, so you can just mash it up. Take your pancake mix, pour some of it on. I don't like them too thick, but I don't like them too thin either. Take some walnuts, put them on top, just about like a little bit, not too much, not too many walnuts. It's pretty high in calories. As I said, you can skip the walnuts. You don't have to actually use the walnuts. Push them down a little bit like this in the mix. Now with a flip. Oof. How can you compete with this? You just cannot compete. Flip that. Beautiful. Ooh, that looks good. God damn, these look good. Right now you have your warm apple. Right, now when your apples are like this, put them on top like this. Beautiful. Take some mixed berries, put it in, and now take these and put them in the microwave. Alright, now that your berries are all nicely warmed up, put them on top as well. And now last but not least, just put some syrup on top. Go like this, there we go. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pancakes. Here you can see the calories and all the other things that is in this exactly. I'm gonna go dig into this right now. I'm gonna have a blast. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and peace out.